Right, so after patching your cables, and the next thing that you should gonna be doing is you're gonna be turning on our controller. So I'm gonna be turning on this controller, so just need to hang there for a meanwhile. I'm gonna be turning on our Show Designer controller. Alright, so this is the DMX512 controller. Let me turn this on for you guys. Let me just turn this on. There you go. So normally, so I already programmed some scenes, but I'm gonna be showing you how this works. So scene 1, these are the, I'm gonna be showing you later what these scenes do, and these are the channel faders, and this is the speed time and the fade time when you control the program that is being played, or the scenes and the banks that contains the scenes. This I'm gonna showing you. So scanner 1 would be our first light over there. So to control our channel 1, so let me increase this channel 1 for me. I've already checked out that this channel 1 fader is that this would control the overall intensity of our RGB channels, RGBW, because my light is a red, green, blue, white channel. So let's increase the fader here. So my red channel is here, it's green, and this is the red. As you can see, there's color red from over the wall. So when I increase the intensity of this, I've increased the red channel. This is the green channel, then this is the blue channel, and this is the white channel. So the overall color is white, so sorry for the very high sensitivity. Let me increase the overall intensity of the RGBW channels. As you can see there, it's color white. So that also applies in the second setup light. So let me do this in channel 2, but let me bring down channel 1 on scanner number 1 and scanner number 2. So let me just increase this. There you go. This how easy you control the controllers. And then channel number 3 would also go the same. As you can see, this is channel number 3, and that would go from the rest of the light. So that's the basics of controlling a light. So when you want to create a basic run through of those channels, I'll teach you the tutorial on how you do that. So the next thing that you should gonna do, so to program in, let's say 1, you just hold on program. So I say I want a program that would lit up the, instead of doing the 1 by 1 increasing of that. So what the thing that you're gonna do is, let's select the light over here, and then let's increase this. As you can see, there's already light from all of our lights. There you go. So we have the light in all of our power LED. So the next thing that you should gonna be doing when you're doing this is you're gonna be saving this program. So I'm gonna be increasing the intensity over to 100%. We're gonna do is we're gonna be adding this. So you need to press this 1, and then press scene 1. Okay, so after that, you're gonna be pressing your program, hold it, and it would go to blackout mode. So you need to unselect the lights first. So as you can see, let's press blackout. So it's now turned on. When you press number 2, because number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8 scenes are empty, they would not play any scene wherein the light is turned off by default. So when I press 1, all the lights are turned on. Instead of doing that without even accessing other channels, instead of doing this, you just, for example, you have a very fast you need to turn on the lights quickly, so I gotta be turning this off, and so turn this on. So of course I want all the lights to get turned on, and oh yeah, I need the lights turned on like this. Then you just need the oh no, see, it's a lot of time. But when you do this, turn this on, and then after turning it on, so this once you're on, just pressing this, all the lights are turned on. So that's how good having scene programs are. So thank you guys for watching. That's the basics of DMX lighting controller with simple programming, and let me see you in the next channel where I make some DMX programming. Okay, stay awesome guys, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please press the notification bell so that you can see more of my tutorials in the next tutorials.